Hello, welcome to this video that demonstrates how to use GoalEzy to conduct effective meetings. Sign in to GoalEzy with your email ID or username and password. Let's begin with reviewing and selecting an already scheduled meeting from the dashboard. Here at the top left corner is the meeting title. Below the title you will find the goals and objectives of the meeting. Then we see the list and photos of the meeting participants. Let's review the meeting checklist that can be used to better prepare for the meeting. Eventually, there will be options to edit or create your own checklists. There is also an option to mark some of the checklist items as important for the meeting. Here you will have an option to prepare meeting instructions that can be shown to the participants before the meeting begins. Start typing the instructions. For example, please respond to the polls during the meeting session. Click Add Instruction to add a new one, and click Done to finish. In this case, we are walking through a sample of an already scheduled meeting, so the rest of the details are pre-populated. Everything is prepared for the meeting. Now click the Start button to begin the meeting. The button changes to the Meeting is Ongoing status. Let's scroll down to the Agenda Items panel, and let's expand the first agenda topic to reveal more options. Observe the graphic on the icon, which is to the left of the agenda topic. Now click on the Agenda Start button. The slider will begin tracking the progress of the agenda topic. The progress is displayed as a percentage of the assigned duration of the agenda topic. Each time an action button is clicked, the icon will change to show its current status. The progress bar stops with pause and resumes upon clicking Start. Click the checkmark icon to complete the agenda topic. Observe that the main progress bar updates to show the overall progress of the meeting. Also note that the completed agenda is updated and displayed in a green color. Moving to the next agenda topic, start the agenda. During the progress of the agenda, if you need to start from the beginning again, click the Restart Agenda option. The progress bar will be reset to the starting position. Again, we can click the Agenda Complete icon to finish the topic. Now, moving on to the next topic, expand the accordion to reveal the options. If you need to defer an agenda topic to a later time, click the Move to Pending Agenda option. Let's click on the dashboard menu and scroll to the bottom of the Pending Agendas section to see the agenda that we just moved. Let's return to the Meetings screen and open the relevant meeting for details. As you can see, the meeting progress bar is updated in real time. Access the last agenda topic and click the Agenda Start option. In this case, we allow the agenda to run through the allotted time. Observe that the pause button disappears and the overall meeting progress bar updates. As usual, click the Agenda Complete option to finish the topic. Relevant notifications, such as your agenda is completed, are displayed at the top right corner of the screen. Now, let's click the Decisions button and start entering the important decisions that were made during the meeting. Click the Add Decision button to add more of them. Of course, there are options to edit or delete an entered decision. Let's add one more decision to the list and close the Meetings Decision pop-up window. Here is the Chat panel that is intended for in-context discussions. The option might already be live by the time you sign up. The Parking Space panel is for making notes during the meeting and for recording any topics that are important for future discussions. press the Enter button to add a new note and start typing in the new row. Click the Send to Pending Actions option to have them displayed on the dashboard for easy reference and to draw attention. Let's scroll down to the Actionable Items section to see the latest item. Returning to the meeting screen and parking space panel, click the Send to Minutes of Meeting option. As the name indicates, the note is pushed to the relevant minutes of meeting. Let's review this through the dashboard screen. Open the relevant minutes of meeting, and we see the note has been published under the Actionable Items section. Close the pop-up and return to the meeting screen. Again, on the Parking Space tab, there are options to edit and delete each note. Click on Send to Actionable Items. Can be used at any time, even after the meeting. Now let's go to the Questions and Answer panel and click the Ask a Question button. Click the Agenda button to ask a question related to an agenda topic. Choose the agenda and type the question. Click the Save button. Now, let's ask a general question. The new question is displayed under the General section of the Q&A panel. Observe that the previous question is associated with a relevant agenda. Now let's ask a question for another agenda and click Save. This is not only associated with the agenda topic, but also links to the agenda owner. Let's log out and see how it looks from the perspective of a meeting participant. Observe that the questions are listed under the Pending Q&A section of the dashboard. The participant answers the question and presses the Enter button. After reviewing the answer, the asker of the question has the option to accept or reject the answer. Once accepted, the status is updated. Now let's look at the details of the minutes of meeting. The meeting goals, agenda topics that were discussed, info on participants, date, time, and duration of meeting are all displayed. The status of the meeting is displayed as well. Scrolling down further and expanding the accordion, we can review the decisions that were made during the meeting. The list of actionable items, and the questions and answers discussed during the meeting. We can easily share, email, and download the minutes of meeting document. Let's collapse the accordion and close the minutes of meeting screen. We will log out, and now let's log in again as another participant. Click the notification banner and choose the notification prompt to provide meeting feedback. Review the standard response options available and make a choice. Choose a star rating. Optionally, feel free to type additional text feedback. Click the Submit button. Let's now log out as this participant and let's see the feedback from the perspective of a meeting organizer. Upon opening the completed meeting, you get to see the star rating received for the meeting. From the dashboard screen, you can manage the list of meetings and their status. MOMs, pending Q&As, pending agendas, and actionable items, all in a single place. Let's look at the Pending Agendas section and go to Schedule Meeting for a moment. You can use the Add Pending Agenda option to pull in an old agenda item that was not addressed in the past. Observe that all the details of the agenda are pre-populated. That's how easy and effective meeting management is with GoalEzy. Thank you. I hope that watching this video was useful.